everyone, today's film is all about hair removal at home. Now in early December a company called Kenzzi got in contact with me and said, please Caroline, we would love you to try our home IPL hair removal device. So I just want to be clear with you that this is a sponsored post by Kenzzi because actually I'm thrilled to bits. It's worked very well and I want to share the machine with you, how it works and what you can expect. I also thought this was a great time to do a film like this if you are living in the UK or close to, sorry for my followers in Australia, but if you are doing IPL or laser, it's really, really important that you're not going in the sun. And another obvious great benefit, because obviously all our clinics and salons over here in the UK are closed, is that you can have an at-home device and continue a laser IPL treatment. Right, so first of all, I'm going to run through a few of the benefits of using this machine. Well, first and most obviously is cost. Once you've bought this, then you've got this machine for the next 10 years. You can do it anywhere you want, watching TV in the morning, after your shower, whenever it suits you. Whereas if you go to a salon, it's much more expensive and you obviously have to book the treatments and times in. And I know that as being a freelancer, whenever I book anything in, I always get a job and everyone's very busy. I mean, obviously now, nobody can get into a salon, like I said, so it just makes these kind of devices really popular right now. So when you start using your device, first of all, it's really important that you shave your legs. And that's because the light energy turns into heat and it's attracted to the melanin, the colour in your hair. So you need the IPL to be really focused to do the best job it can. I just got into a routine of doing it every Monday. So I'd have my shower, shave my legs and then use the Kenzzi. Just kind of gave me a nice routine because they recommend that you use it weekly. So after about 2 to 3 weeks, I started to notice that my hair on my legs became a little bit softer. And after about 2 months, the hair continued to be soft and much less dense. My girlfriend, who has a few dark hairs on the side of her chin here, has been using this too, and it's worked a treat. And another added benefit, and you may well know this, that IPL is also really good at treating pigmentation and blemishes. Okay, so let me introduce you to the device. Firstly, I love the power cable because it's 3 meters long. I've got some devices that I'm sort of stuck to the wall doing things with. So yeah, 3 meters, very handy. Super lightweight, easy to use. So on the back of the device, there's a green flashing button. Just press that once and it turns it on. You can hear that sort of little soft motor. It's very gentle. So the blue lights at the front of the Kenzzi indicate the intensity from 1 to 5. Now for best results, they recommend you use it on the highest intensity, but just build up, see how you feel, see how you like it, and just take time to get used to the sensation. It's so easy to use. You place the device on the area you want to treat. The device has to be in complete contact with your skin. If it's not, then it won't flash. And just take it across your arm like that. And the IPL goes along and you don't feel anything but a little bit of warmth, nothing pings, and it's very safe for you to use. Just do a couple of passes along your arm, leg, armpits, across the sides of your face, nowhere near your eyes, that's very important. And it's actually quite a calming process, if I'm honest. So after using the Kenzzi, you might find that your skin feels a little bit warm or sensitised, but that disappears very quickly after your treatment. If you are going to use this device on your face, make sure that you only use it on the areas below your top lip and be very careful not to get near any moles. So one thing that I think is really important to add when doing an IPL treatment is don't get impatient and go for a quick pluck, wax or epilate, because IPL is only effective when the hair follicle is attached to the cell. Otherwise it simply won't work. So just stick to shaving. Okay, so just a few things to recap on. Make sure that you don't have any sun exposure 48 hours before and 48 hours after. That's really important when doing an IPL treatment. That's why it's great to do it in the winter. Make sure that you don't do any other types of hair removal, just use the razor. You can use it on all parts of your body, your chin, your underarms, your bikini line, your legs. It's safe to use anywhere below the top lip of your body all the way down. Make sure that you don't have any broken skin, you don't use the IPL over moles and any dark freckles, and tattoos. You might find that your skin's a little bit more sensitive when you've got your period, but that's personal. What's also important to note is because the IPL is attracted to the dark melanin, if you're pale skinned with dark hair, you'll get fantastic results. If your skin is darker, I would be cautious, and I'd recommend that you should go to a clinic and have proper laser because there is the risk of hyperpigmentation, but fair, medium skin tones, absolutely fine. You should see results after 2 to 3 weeks of using your Kenzzi, and then you'll get the full impact of the device after 12. And most people say that they get a huge reduction in hair growth, and the hair that does come back is really soft. So I can highly recommend this product. And because Kenzzi have sponsored this post, they have also offered you, my lovely followers, a discount. So please click down on the description box to see what the discount is and how you can benefit from it. So that's the Kenzzi. I've really enjoyed using it, especially now since all the clinics are shut. It's been very straightforward, very simple, easy to use at home, and saves you money. So win-win really. Please let me know if you've used a Kenzzi before or any other hair removal device. I'd be really delighted to know what you use and what your thoughts are. And if you've got any questions, then as usual, pop them in the comments box and I'll answer them myself, or I'll get Kenzzi to do so. I hope you've enjoyed it, I hope you found it informative, and I look forward to seeing you next week.